Sanskriti Kolkata's YouTube episode number 161 is on Kalamkari, Bandhej, Pichwai and many more, because it's a mixed bag collection. Some of you wanted Pichwai, some of you wanted me to show Kalamkari and also Bandhej. So keeping all your requests in mind, and before the pujas that too, so thought of making a mixed bag collection. So let's keep watching. So I'll start with Kalamkari. Tussar Kalamkari with Zari border. By now you know the price, 8,990 rupees. Hand Kalamkari in pure Tussar Zari border. It's a very nice mehendi green color, mustard mehendi color with teal blue all over hand painting Zari border, product number 1. These have Zari border with Zari woven pallu, hand painted all over, and with dyed beautiful pleats. Till your pleats it will be all over painting, and in your pleat there will be a lovely shading. See the shading from the upper pleat to the lower part. See the beautiful, this is the best part of the sarees. Beautiful hand painting and in a very beautiful color combination also. Product number 1, and all these come with a hand painted blouse piece. Here is your blouse piece for this. This is the back side and this will be your sleeves. So 8990 for product number 1. Product number 2 comes a similar type, but of course the painting changes and the color is in green. I have stock in Kalamkari, Pichwai, Bandhej, but most of you wanted me to show all these things before the pujas. So how can I make an episode of so many things before the puja? I have my time slots. So it's a mixed collection today for keeping your requests in mind. This is a lovely color combination also in green hand painting Tussar all over, with a green blouse piece in the border and the back, Zari border also, and this is the color. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the phone number that's provided. There are 2 numbers that's going. Just WhatsApp to any one of the number with the screenshot. 7603042696, that's the number where I answer, and there's the other number also. That's the Jamir Lane branch number. In case you need to call for any kind of emergency or in any kind of enquiry which I'm not able to answer, I mean I've not been able to answer, whatever, anything which is there, you know, you want to talk to somebody, please call the other number. But best is to message only. You will definitely get the reply. All your queries will be answered one by one by WhatsApp messages. Another lovely shade of green. Achol number 38990, Kalamkari hand painting in pure Tussar Zari border. Green pleats. And here comes the blouse piece for this. What a beautiful color. And especially the touch of magenta purple is, you know, looking so bright against this green color. Please visit the store. We have many stock there, but to get this particular product, prior booking is important. Now when I'm showing the episode, there are many customers who are attending the store and then, you know, seeing these kind of products, but then maybe after 1 or 2 months when you're coming, the exact product may not be there. So please keep watching the videos, and stock keeps coming every now and then depending on the you know, products that is being created and the amount of, you know, depending on the weather also, the time you need to make these products. These are all handmade products, so they definitely take time. And to keep the uniqueness of each one of them, I make all single pieces of these hand paintings, and we don't take orders also. So you can understand why it's taking time. So but similar hand painting products will be available in the store. So you can visit both the branches. 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. It's near the Citizen Park. And the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, near Ballygunge Railway Station. Sundays are open till Durga Puja, and then other days Monday to Saturday. After Durga Puja we will not open on Sundays. The other weekdays, Monday to Saturday 10 o'clock to 8 p.m. we are open every day for you. Please wait for your messages. All your messages, inquiries will be answered. These are first come first serve basis. Once you make the payment, in the business account number that we provide, GST bill will be provided with each shipment. Once the payment is made, we will courier it to you within 3 working days. This is the blouse piece, and this is a very unique shade of brown, light chocolate. Number 5, all the hand paintings are really unique and free hand painting by the artists, and they know by now what colors you love. I just don't dictate any terms to my painters because it's an art and it comes from the mind. Sambalpuri Tussar hand painted kalamkari. Pride of Orissa. These tussars are totally hand woven. Sambalpuri Ikkat pure tussar 10,500, on which hand painting kalamkari is done. Onion pink shade. This is the blouse piece. It's the natural blouse piece. I have not done anything. The weave is already there. The Sambalpuri Ikkat weave is there in the blouse and the sari. Very elegant piece. The pallu, the border and the blouse I have not disturbed, because it's the natural weave of this beautiful tussars. Now I'll show you quickly some very beautiful colors, uncommon shades, combinations in Sambalpuri hand painted kalamkari tussar. See the color, it's in green and orange. The lovely peacock traditional painting. Pleats, and the blouse piece will be in orange. Very gorgeous color combination. It actually will look very nice on wearing. Mustard and black. Please do like, share and subscribe to get regular notifications. The Facebook page link which is already provided, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. All the still pictures will be uploaded there. New collection will be uploaded which is not shown in the YouTube also. So please do like the page, and there's the Insta page link also. Insta link, though that's a bit more personal. But still you can just follow the page also. Lalia at Sanskriti. We have the tailoring unit where blouses or suits can be stitched, but of course not before the pujas. You will not get the delivery, but before Diwali, of course. So I'll give you the contact number of the tailoring department. Once the payment of the sari is done, you can contact them for your designs and measurements. They can. And I'm sure those who receive the products without just by messaging and you are so happy with the stitching, so I'm sure you can follow up with them. 10,900 for this Sambalpuri natural color with a navy border, Sambalpuri border, traditional Orissa sari with hand painting kalamkari in natural color and shades of blue. It's a very nice natural color tussar with a touch of fudge color with a navy blouse. This is the blouse piece, the original blouse piece of the sari in blue. See, extremely elegant sari. Number 10, rich green and red. How gorgeous this is looking. Very artistic saris, colorful, artistic, gorgeous, and camera friendly. Now everything is so Instagrammable, so these will look so pretty on clicking pictures, and you will stand out in the crowd because of the color combination and the traditional ethnic look of these saris. This is the blouse piece. You can make this, you use this border lengthwise. Again, it will look very nice. Try using the border lengthwise or in the collar. Now coming to another traditional color combination, that light brown fudge color that I was talking about. Now this comes with the red border. Traditional Sambalpuri pallu, 10,900. All hand painted, freehand kalamkari painting. Blouse piece. I'm very proud of my karigars for doing such immense beautiful work in all the products, and I'm sure you love them too. Of course, I can see that you love kalamkari, you love art. Now, okay, let me tell you something about the mannequin, since this is also kalamkari, hand painted kalamkari in pure desi tussar with chikankari embroidery border. From the pallu till the body, all over hand painting with this very rich thread work border in shades of green, lime green, and see the painting. In the pleats, see the shading. So you can understand how gorgeous the sari will look on draping, like the mannequin is wearing. We have these Banarasi blouse pieces also, starts from 950, and this particular kalamkari sari is 10,500. Kalamkari pure desi tussar with chikankari border, thread work border, 10,900, 500 for this. Okay, now I'll show you another exclusive art, hand painted Madhubani. I have been showing hand painting Madhubani from Mithila in tussars and all, many saris I have shown, but this is again in tussar, pure desi ghicha tussar with, see the painting, exclusively done. Very uncommon. This is 10,500. 1,200 rupees more than the ones that I showed you, but you will understand the difference. That is a different kind of an art. This is also in Madhubani, but the artwork is again very different. Of course, artists differ, the work will differ. But it's a beautiful sari, very uncommon piece. I'll show you the part that will come in your yoke. The pallu, very smart looking sari, and this is the blouse, the lower border. The lower border till it will come here, and then this work goes, painting goes rather. This is the blouse piece. And this is the sari. A very unique piece. It has a self-textured batik print in the body. Self-textured batik print. 10,500 for this beauty. 131. Sorry, why did I say 131? 13, sorry. I just told you I need a reading glass now. 10,500. Pallu, same price, 10,500. Even this border work is, artwork is very, very intricate. Very well done painting. Blouse piece. I asked my artist to do it something little different than the one that I was showing in the Madhubani episode. So see, he has taken a lot of time to do this, but I think it's again very different from the ones that I've been showing. And this is Ganapati in the pallu. The last one in Madhubani, number 14. Pallu part. Body. Isn't it a beauty? Each painting with a line, all freehand nib painting. See, the artist differs, the work differs, and it gives a very different get-up, that too in the same artwork Madhubani. Blouse piece for this. These are in Ghicha Tussar. Pure Ghicha Tussar. Okay, now coming to what? Pichwai. Number 15. Kalamkari, Madhubani, and now Pichwai. Usually in Pichwai paintings, there are deity, living figures, animals, Mughal art in the saris. So this is one of them. Krishna Bhagwan with floral and cows, and this is the painting in the body. Lotus, lovely flowers, and the color of light peach color. Pallu highlighted sari with a contrast blouse piece in Pichwai painting. Very sober color combination and very neat painting. I'll show you the colors that is available in this. This is 8,800. Pitchwai painting in different colors I will show you. This is lemon. Each painting will be different. Now see this one. Pure Tussar. Lemon and yellow color combination with shades of pink. Once again, I would like to show you the pallu, the absolutely stunning painting in the pallu. Very artistic. And here is the blouse piece for this. Yellow with back and the sleeves fully painted. Light lavender color. Very pretty shade. You know why we don't do the body full pitchwai? Because we want to highlight the pallu part, the unique painting, the traditional artwork in the pallu. So the body is just the border concept. Same price, 8,800 in pure tussar. This is the body, and you can do these simple jewelry, wear them. Actually these are artwork, not too much of loud colors. But at the same time, on wearing these will look really pretty. See the blouse piece. So blouse and pallu, it's bright and gorgeous. This base sari is kept subtle and sober. Light mint color. All the colors are different and very pretty. All the colors. See this painting. The blouse will be in darker green. Here. After a long time, I'm showing pitchwai. So because keeping in mind that I will be showing you a lot of variety in this episode. So let's see how much, how many episodes I can do before the pujas. Otherwise, we'll be back again. We will take a short break because of the Durga Puja season. Everything will be closed from 4 days. We will be closed 4 days, and then we'll resume work again in the Lakshmi Puja day. Lakshmi Puja day we will remain closed. So and then we will resume our work. This is the blouse piece. In the last 3 months, I've not been able to watch a single movie also. Whole night I'm answering your messages. So now I really desperately need a break. But I'm glad I do that. Now shifting to bandhej. Now see what I show you. 8990. Ajrak with bandhej. What a beautiful fusion. The body is in ajrak. The border is bandhej, all pure and hand organic colors. 8990 with blouse piece, solid color, with tie and dye in the border. Ajrak body with bandhej border. Pure tussar, no embroidery, nothing anything fancy, but just concept and traditional product, traditional look, traditional sari, traditional beauties of different state, amalgamation of two states. But these are actually very limited collection. Number 21. Single piece. None of the whole episode that will be showing, none of these orders will be taken, and all single piece. So first come first serve basis. 8990. We ship worldwide. The shipping charges depend on the destination and the weight of the product. Body ajrak and border in bandhej. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata. Outside Kolkata it will go via courier. This is the sari, but there will be an additional charge if it's cash on delivery. Courier is cheaper even in Kolkata. We have the Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where all these products, the still photos will be uploaded in the Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page album. So please like the page to get more collection, more options. If these are sold out, I'll upload more whenever if it's available. You can check out our WhatsApp status also, where repeat products are uploaded, new products are also uploaded. This is the blouse piece, and this is a lovely color combination in rust and blue. Pure tussar, but these are very soft polish, so that we love the flow of the fabric. All pure but soft polish, because these are tie and dye and then ajrak, so it took a lot of time. Bani. 23. Every sari will make a style statement. The color combination, the concept, the time that has been given to each product. I'm sure you can understand so much of hard work has been involved in this. Now coming to only bandhej, number 24. Lovely tie and dye in red. No border as such, all over bandhej. Tie and dye in pure tussar. Pallu, big pallu. See the tie and dye in the pallu. The whole body will be only dana bandhej. Very fashionable, smart sari. Just wear it with loads of junk jewelry, loads of your, this is the blouse piece for this. You can wear it with, that indigo blouse also. Now coming to Vidarbha with digital printing. Ganga Jamna border, pure Vidarbha. See the printing done. Digital printing, totally different concept. Vidarbha woven sari, 9,300, 9300 Ganga Jamuna temple border, and see this concept of printing. Very abstract, very uncommon printing. This episode is really, you can understand so much of work and the time that I've given in this, mainly the thought process. Every time I'm trying to do something, experiment, something different, something new that will attract you in each episode. I try my best, and you've given me a lot of support to this. Very heavy quality, pure Vidarbha from Orissa. So you can understand so many states' artwork I've shown today. Very heavy quality, pure Tussar, 9300, temple Ganga Jamuna Vidarbha sari. Vidarbha sari itself is always, very loved by everyone, and on top of that, a little giving it a boutique touch, but not disturbing the traditional product. So just trying to do something add on to give it a different look. This is the blouse piece, pink blouse, and this is the sari. Another nice color, orange and pink. Number 27, 9300. Again Vidarbha. Please check the WhatsApp status. Every day the new notifications will be sent. What will be the preview of the next episode product, or whatever, new products that is available in the store. Check out the Facebook page, the Insta link. This is the sari, orange and pink, Ganga Jamuna border, pure Vidarbha with printing. And lastly, the one that I am wearing, tie and dye again. This is intentionally done, just an impression. I don't want the body to be, just an impression of the tie and dye. The border is embroidered thread work. The pallu is thread work, but the pallu tie and dye is more prominent intentionally. The pleats, pure tussar, and here comes a very fashionable blouse piece to team with this, navy with thread work, 13,900, navy with thread work. I have two colors in this. The other one is coffee. Number 28, the last one, is on coffee. 2 colors. Can you see? This tie and dye is just on impression, but the pallu part is prominent. All concept, this thing, see? Then from the pleats, it become prominent. Actually, these are hand work and these are tie and dye. So, you never know where the dye will be more, the dye will be less. It just comes out naturally. This is the blouse piece. The blouse piece will be small booty thread work. This is the blouse piece. Coffee color blouse piece with embroidery. The border pallu will be embroidered. Very rich looking uncommon sari, and the neck piece that I am wearing is, it has a earring also. It's in blue, a navy stone embedded blue tassel. 2400 is the neck piece with the earring. 2400. And the sari price I have already told you. So that's it for today. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you so much. Stay well.